Hi, awesome ones. Well, today I have some new fashion finds for you. Ta-da! But I'm also including in this one some new makeup that I have and also some new hair care. And if you're watching this at the beginning of July, I've got great news for you. If you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 on July the 11th and the 12th, it's Prime Days. And if you look in our deals section, I'm going to have all the Prime Day sales on items that I love and fashion and beauty and skincare, even housewares. So it's like a once a year sale. So I really didn't want you to miss it. All right, so let's start with the show. Starting with this top that I'm wearing right now. And it's one of those moisture wicking tops. And you know, you could wear it on those hot and humid days. I also like how it kind of covers my shoulders and my arms a little bit. Love the zipper. Let's just take a closer look. Notice how with this red top, the design really brings your waist in and gives the illusion of looking slimmer. It's available for about $30 and in 8 colors and designs. It's perfect for walking, sports, or just shopping around those outdoor farmers markets and festivals. Now let's take a look at that last outfit again. I don't think I've ever mentioned this black skirt before, but it's a great length and available for around $60. It's also available in 25 colors and designs, and it's got pockets too. And that skirt I just showed you, I wore it for pretty well an entire weekend at a jazz festival. And because it's black, you know, it didn't really get dirty at all. And talking about skirts, I know you've requested it, you've asked me for it. I finally found it. It's an authentic jean skirt. Let's take a look. So here is my newest skirt. It's a true jean skirt look, and the beauty is that it has an elastic waistband, faux fly, and 5 pockets. It's available for $64 in 8 colors, and the top that I'm wearing is new too. It's really lightweight and available for $30, and it has about 20 other styles and designs as well. I just put a cami underneath, you know, to kind of give it a little bit more style. Now I just want to mention that jean skirt, it's made by Jag Jeans, and I know a lot of you probably have heard about them. They're really famous for making great women's jeans, and of course now they make skirts. And as usual, I'll have most of the items that I'm mentioning, including the makeup and the hair care, underneath the video description, in the comments, and also at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. And don't forget to check out that deal section. It's actually up 365 days a year. Now let's take a look at something completely different, and it's a jumpsuit. Now I actually got this in black because I know a lot of you, you know, you'll maybe only have 1 or 2 jumpsuits, and I thought that this, you know, black one can probably get you through so many occasions because you can dress it up or you can dress it down. Let's take a look. So here you go. I love this jumpsuit. Notice the ruffled sleeves to hide my arms a bit, and it has pockets. It's available for around $39 and in 6 colors. And notice those sandals, ooh la la, for $55, and they even have a kitten heel. They're also available in silver. And the beautiful clutch purse is $30 with a dainty chain, and also available in 3 other colors. And that jumpsuit can also be dressed down with a straw hat, a straw bag, and those leopard printed Crocs that I love so much. Put on a pair of big sunglasses, and it's perfect for this warmer time of year. And since it's kind of flowy, it's also cool to wear. And if you like styling videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the bell. And I gotta tell you, the next item that I have, I just love these retro looking dresses. We're gonna stay on the dressy theme here, but well, let's just take a look. Isn't this gorgeous? It's got that 1940s vibe and it's in a super stretchy material. I love the way that it makes me look like I have a slimmer waist with the styling, and it's only $50 and it's available in 6 colors. It also has a handy zipper on the back, and it's a perfect dress for a wedding, a brunch, or almost any gathering occasion. It's also available in 6 colors, but you know what? I love this wine color. And I have to tell you that Amazon right now, they have early bird Prime Day sales on. And this dress at the time of filming, like right now, it had another 20% off. And a lot of the fashions and some of the items that I'm showing you, I noticed had sales on them as well. Now, since I've been talking about getting dressed up, let's talk about some makeup. And as most of you know, literally for years now, I've been wearing the Shiseido Synchro Glow foundation, but it's been out of stock for a while and I don't think they're going to be bringing it back. So I went on the hunt for a new foundation, and I've tried so many other ones and they're just not as good. But guess what I just found? Shiseido, let me turn it around here. Shiseido, they went and got the same foundation. They're calling it a new name. They're calling it, what are they calling it? Let me just read here. They're calling it Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation. Okay, longer name, but it's still just as good. My color is porcelain, and this is available for about $47. And I just have to tell you, it really does do the coverage. It gives you the glow. It's dewy. It lasts all day. And out of probably another 6 foundations that I've been trying, this is the best one. So I'll get to my new hair care products in just a minute, but I wanted to get a glow on my lips as well. Let me see if you can see this. This is by Stila, and it's a plumping lip gloss, and it does do a little bit of plumping because you can really feel the tingling in it. It's available for, what is it available for? $24 in 13 colors. This has kind of got a pinky tinge, but I don't know, I just wanted to buy a nice new lip gloss. So let me just show you how it goes on here. Beautiful. Oh, and I just wanted to mention something to you. Let's just say that you bought the Shiseido Synchro Glow, whatever that was called, long name, right? And you put it on and you don't like it. It's not really the shade that you wanted. Well, you can return it, and even if you used a bit of it. So I just wanted to point that out to you because, you know, buying online is so easy, and it's just one of those things that I thought you should know. All right, so let's get to the next item that I have, and it's a really lightweight hoodie, and it has a UPF of 50+. Let's take a look. It's from Bayleaf, and it's available for $30 in 9 colors. It's exceptionally lightweight, and I'm just wearing a cami underneath. It has a hood and pockets, and great for walking, exercising, or, you know, just spending a day somewhere in the summer. The skort is also new, and it has the look of jean material, but it's super stretchy. It's available for $31 and in 4 colors. And I really like the way the front of this is. It's really stylish. Now let's talk about our hair, and a big thank you to all of you that said you really like my hair curly like this. And did you know that my hair is actually naturally curly? And this time of year when the humidity is out there, I don't want to be straightening it all the time. So I found a new product. It's by John Frieda, and it's available for about $12. And what is it? It's frizzies, so it helps with the frizzies, and it's called Dream Curls. It's an air dry wave styling foam. So basically what I like to do is when my hair is damp, I just put a little bit of foam on, maybe a little bit more than that, and I just kind of rub it into my hands, and then I just do the scrunching thing, you know, where I just scrunch my hair and make it curly. And the good thing about this product is the next day when I don't want to wash my hair again, all I have to do is just dampen my hands and just do the scrunching again, and usually this product is still there and I get my curl back. Now, if you're saying, but Heather, I don't have curly hair. Well, of course, I've got you covered. And do you remember these? These are the Conair Hot Sticks, and these are like $32. And by the way, the last time I checked, they were less than that because they're on an early bird special as well. And what you get is you get 6 of these ones. These are like the thinner ones, and then you get 6 of the thicker ones. And of course they just kind of heat up for you, and then you roll them in your hair, and they don't have clips. So all you have to do is once you roll them in your hair, you just sort of attach them like this, and you're done. And usually, I've tried these, and of course I wanted to make sure that they were still good for you. So they lasted maybe about, I think I had them in for about 15 minutes, and it made a really nice natural curl. So in this video, I really wanted to show you some products that would really help you get out of a rut. And I showed you some makeup that will help you to glow up. I showed you a jean skort that will give you kind of a youthful vibe, and that skort you can wear at any age. And I also showed you a jumpsuit and just a few different retro dresses, something a little bit different. And you know, I've been talking to some women lately, and they've been talking about how they buy the same clothes all the time, the same styles, and really they just want to get their groove back a little bit. And what I say, with what I showed you today, you can kind of refresh and renew and even feel a little bit more rejuvenated. And to me, that's just one more way to keep it awesome.